Okay, I got two of the Nintendo Switch over here. And I noticed there are a lot of videos on the internet trying to figure it out what's going on with the left stick. See if I can do one for you in demonstration. Let's see, you go to settings. Sorry about that. Go to settings. You move this to control sensors. And then you go over here and then you try to calibrate the sticks. And then you will press this one down. And then you have it. So it's gonna show you how this is reacting. If you move it really fast, it might go back. But if you can see that if you really move slow, it has some, right now it's not doing it, but maybe because of the heat of my hand or it was playing. There you go. Do you see that? You see how it moves? Look. So it's moving erratically and it's pushing to the side. That's what causes this stick to like go crazy. I mean, if you move it around, it might go back to the center like I did. But sometimes it just go by himself like you just did a couple of seconds ago. So what I use is to clean is this guy over here. You can find a different brand name, doesn't matter. This is just a contact cleaner. It says it's for cars and stuff, but it's just exactly the same thing in electronics. They use in electronics, they use this one too. This one had lubricant in it. I already used on this one, second one, I used the red one, the CRC. But I'm gonna be using them both of them, because this one is start getting a little funky again. So I'm guessing that it needs a little bit of lubrication. So I'm gonna prepare this and I'll shoot you another video. See if I can set up the phone in a way that you can actually see how it goes, okay? All right, I took the controller, it's the left one, out. I need to bring some more light so you guys can see. This has a little bit of a rubber protector so the dust and grime and shit doesn't go inside there, as you can see. But not really that dirty, but I've seen controllers before that it has a lot of shit in there. So what you need to do is you need to lift this up and spray it. See if I can actually do it with this. I'm not holding the phone anymore, but it's still a little tricky because you need to lift them up and hold it in place. You see? So, and then you will try to squirt just a little bit. It's the tricky part. There you go. That's enough right there. I usually use a Q-tip to wipe off any excess of that crap in there so it doesn't drip to the places they're not supposed to be dripping. Take this off. And the rubber's still there, protecting. So it's gonna see if it works. It's gonna connect it back again. I have to just hold the phone, connect it again. See if I can actually do this one again. This one that had the problem. Let's see. Okay. Let's just move it around. So seems to be fixing the problem. So a little bit of contact cleaner with lubrication. As you can see, it fixed the problem. Now, if you have a problem, still having a problem with this not acting up the right way, I would suggest you to change this. It's really inexpensive. I'll put a link on it if I find it. The part is really easy to change. You have to just take it apart in the back. It has a couple of screws. It has tri-point screw. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really easy. If I have a problem with that, I will make another video changing this part. but as you can see, it's not going anywhere. It's not acting up anymore. So plain and simple. This one doesn't actually get that funky, we can say, or that problematic, but if it does, now you guys know. Again, see the product, contact cleaner. It doesn't have to be this brand name. It can be another brand name, as long as it says electronic contact cleaner and it has some lubrication on it. This one doesn't. This one's just a cleaner. And I think that's why it tried to come back when I used this one. Okay? Let me know in the comments if you need any help.